Meaning of edify.
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 Edify. The word edify means to instruct or enlighten someone in a way that improves their knowledge, morality, or character. The result of edification is the enhancement of individual understanding and personal growth towards a more virtuous path. It can involve imparting knowledge about various subjects or influencing someone's behavior towards ethical conduct. Ultimately, the purpose of edification is to improve oneself and others, maintaining a positive outlook on life and contributing to society's betterment.